Hello, boys and girls. Fred here again. Today, I'm going to talk to you about another way to show your design. Okay, first, we've talked about bubble diagrams, we've talked about concept drawings, we've talked about schematic plans, and your finalized plan of a bird's eye view, of a helicopter view of your design, of your space. Now, we want to talk to you about something called a vignette. A vignette is a image, a drawing, a sketch, some simple or complex way that you will show what it looks like to be in that space. All right. You want to show a sketch of what that rooftop looks like with built out, with your orchard, with your seating area, with your cafeteria, farm stand, whatever it is that's in your design, you want to be able to show that in a drawing of a person actually standing there and looking at it. Okay, so you want to be the user. You're at ground level, okay, and you are looking, and you get to decide what you want to show. This isn't like the schematic plan or the drawing or the final site plan where you have to show everything. In your vignette, you can do multiple of these. You are encouraged to do multiple of these that show the different areas. You could show you have this beautiful peach tree and you want to just show that and because it has a nice bench next to it, and maybe that also it's feeding into a bio, it's connected to a bioswale. Show a snippet of it, a little tiny bit of it that shows what a person would look like in the space, and you're just viewing that space from wherever you are from your vantage point. Okay, what you typically do is sketch over an existing picture of the space. So you would take a picture of what this space looks like with nothing on there, your blank slate, your mm, existing space, and you could put a layer or a drawing on top of it that would add in the plants, that would add in the benches, that would add in the basketball court, that would add in the green infrastructure interventions that you will use, your roof, your bioswale. You are drawing that in there, but looking at it from being in the space like you would if it was completed. It should be to scale. If you have a 20-foot tree, the person that you use in that vignette should not be as tall as the tree. All right. Think about scale, think about things in proportion. If you have a little person, if you draw a person in there, the bench should be proportional to the size of that person. And you make the rules here. How much or as little as you want to show, but you want to portray and you want to illustrate and draw and show what it feels like to be in that space, what the end user, the folks that will be using that space, what it feels like to be in there.